The next step is now to square the distances from the mean, right? Because we have positive values and negative values, our total sum becomes 0. So if we want to create an aggregate score like the variance, we can't have 0 scores. So we're squaring the distance from the mean, and that's a way to get rid of the negative scores. And at the same time, we're rewarding scores that are close to the mean because they don't really increase as much, and scores that are very far from the mean, those distances become even larger, right? Here again, we're entering the equal sign to create a formula, and we're going to square this distance from the mean by multiplying it with itself. So the E6 cell, 6 times E6. So that's 5.4 times 5.4 is 29.16. And again, I can just drag this down and it copies the values, the format. And you can see here the 0.06 becomes even smaller, right? Because it's minus 0.06 times minus 0.06 is 0.36. But then the 8.6 becomes a really big number, 6.4 becomes an even bigger number, 5.4 becomes a bigger number, and so the small numbers, they get only a little bit bigger, or they become even smaller if they're below 1, and the bigger numbers become much larger. And here again, we add them all up. We can just drag over this formula for the sum. So this is our result for the total squared deviances.